What's going on, guys? Rish TSX, Rish Media, Rish Bish, fucking Chris, man, I'm all. I'm it all. I'm back again in the flesh. You guys are behind some new glass. I got a Sigma 30mm f1.4. This is probably gonna be my most all-around lens with like vlogging and anything, like low lighting especially. That's what it's for. And if anyone wants to buy my 18mm through 105mm, it's gonna be up for sale. I'm not sure how much yet, maybe around like 400 bucks or something, because it cost me like over 500 or so. I don't have much use of it. At the moment, I have like 2 other lenses that I really use a lot, and this is gonna be the main one. Yeah, we're back again at the shop, and I'm about to do my O2 sensor, because I had the check engine light for 3-4 months or so. And the car is definitely starting to run a bit rougher, and I've had like other issues, so I just trying to fix things up as I go now and give you guys that TSX content you've been wanting for a while. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna go start up the O2 sensor. I'm just gonna explain how I do it. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. You just 4 bolts off the passenger seat, take off basically the seat, go underneath, and O2 sensor go underneath the car, O2 sensor, and basically it. So cat back and blah, blah, blah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just show you real quick. There's 1 bolt right there, 1 right there, you can see in that corner. There's another one in that corner, and that corner. These are 14mm, 14. So, this is the first bolt, second bolt, and I'm guessing you just want to pull the seat forward and just get the other 2 bolts in the opposite corner. And basically you just let it lean back, go underneath with the flap, and that's where the O2 sensor is. You'll see. Hopefully my car feels a lot better after this, because it's been check engine light for 3-4 months for the O2 sensor, so. And what started all that, I'm pretty sure it was my, 3 times flex pipe leaks, and over the course of a couple months. It is what it is. First 2 front bolts out, 14mm. Literally all you need is a ratchet, socket, maybe a extension just to make it a little easier to get to. And you just do the back. So as you can see, I got 1 off, but you gotta be kind of careful, because you see I kind of chipped off a little side of it, and that's where it snaps onto. So if you guys see, this is the front portion, so it's like sitting like that. So you kind of have to pry it off, unclip it there by going up. And right here, it's kind of like the same thing, but it's a little trickier on the inner side. You just kind of have to pry it out and hear the clicks, and hopefully nothing breaks, I guess, because that's what happened to me. But yeah, now the other side. I'm sure you guys know what the f this is for. Real. As always, in every job I do, there's always that 1 bolt that just either strips or just for some reason want to come out. And this last bolt of the seat happens to be it. I'm loosening it, and it's like starting to unloose for like a couple turns. Then it feels like I'm starting to tighten it, where it just keeps getting tighter and tighter, and it feels like it's about to snap. My only solution is soaking in the Freol, let it sit, and just keep trying to unloosen it until it ends up snapping or something. I don't know, because I need to get this damn thing off. Always something, guys. Always one bolt. Honestly, that spray didn't do shit. You just had to really get it through. It was a struggle for a minute, then it got. Let's see. That is pretty rusty. Yeah, but it's kind of bent, does it? Yeah, this shit bent. Yeah, that's another reason why this thing's fucking bent. You just disconnect my battery just for safekeeping.
And you just get it from the bottom and switch it out?
After you just push it upward and then you just literally just get that ring around that rubber piece.
So did you just like pry it up and push it down or something?
Yeah. You could have just went like this, pried it like this, and then just pushed it down like that.
Alright guys, that's that. Got the O2 sensor in, got the seat, you know, bolted back in, and now I'm just gonna reconnect my battery and hopefully I have no more check engine light after 4 months. It was pretty simple, just a few hiccups and a little extra info needed. But first time for everything, and now I can do a breeze any other time. So. Peace!